Hello again, it's Noob, and I have this Yale high protection 6 out of, well, I'm assuming 12 since that's in the middle. What does it say? It's a Yale, well, what is it? Well, it says it's imported by Abloy. What else does it say? Not really sure. It's a Yale Y114B 601141. Yeah, don't know how I'm going to put that in a title, but nevertheless, that's where we are. Imported by Abloy. Where's it made? Does it say? No idea. Yeah. Okay. Well, yeah. I don't know why I have one of these. Actually, I just found it on my shelf. I'm a bit tired. I just thought I would pick something like this out of the pack. I don't know. Just have a go at it. So let's hack our way through these sort of blister pack things. I really hate these packets. We'll leave the keys over there for me. We don't need to look at them. And here is the padlock. It's quite nice looking, I guess. Oh look, a little blemish on a brand new lock. Despicable. But no, it's quite nice, isn't it? I like the shape. It's kind of cute. Yeah, I quite like it. So this is high. So this is high security. Can we say it's high security? I'm not sure we can say it's high security. It's definitely what it is. Okay, so let's throw out some advice. I've got a whole load of tension tools here. There we go, and we're just going to choose probably my favourite one, bottom of the keyway. Yeah, that could work. In fact, I might be able to get away with a slightly tapered one, which would mean that I had a little bit more room in that keyway. Okay. It does have a lot of movement, which either means poor tolerances or it's already in a bit of a false set. Oh, that did slip round just then. So, yeah, we'll be careful. Okay, let's have a go. So, I think it's a 5-pin lock, this one. Just going to go back through and see where we are. So, that was 5. I had a few clicks on the way. This is 1. I felt that something moved. That went a bit more of a bit more of a false set, I would say. I might just swap over to my gem. Might be a bit deep for this lock. I don't know. Let's go on to that pin 1 again. Where are we? Yeah, it feels like something at the back, which is a bit too. Oh, and that's pin 5, and we're. Ooh, that was way too easy, wasn't it? That's horrible. I mean, I like Yale. Yale are actually wonderful locks to pick, but I didn't feel much counter rotation. It just sort of opened. Right, let's have a look at that key. Let's have a look at this. What are we dealing with here? Because it wasn't even a fun pick. It sort of just opened. Okay, oh, that's okay. I didn't really look at this key before. But it looks like we might have a zero lift situation in pin 4. And 1's very high. I don't know even what I picked in what order in this lock. It just didn't feel great at all. Yeah, not recommended. Very small keyway as well, isn't it? Yeah, I don't know. Grabbing that card from that high protection. Not really, is it? Yeah. No, not a fan. Okay, look, just after the filming, I just thought I got to see whether this rakes, so I just grabbed a boner, and just thought I would go in and give it a bit of a light rake and just see whether we can't convince this lock to rake open. I mean, yeah, there we go. Probably quicker than picking, but I don't know. Yeah, still not happy with this. Well, look. If you like this video, leave a like. If you have a comment on this lock, or you've had a better experience with one of these locks than me, please do leave a comment below. I'll read them all and reply to as many as I can. If you haven't subscribed to this channel, and you like random picking videos, including out-of-the-box picking like this, then do consider subscribing. It really helps my channel out. And of course, I'll see you all next time.